Hey guys, it's your girl Malia, and today I am back with another video. Finally here filming. It's been a little while since I've uploaded. Just bear with me. Summer, traveling, everything. Anyway, so today's video is going to be my summer 2019 bucket list. I think I have 10 things on here that I want to do this summer, and I'm going to be telling you guys what I want to accomplish this summer. And my next video, or a video coming up soon, is going to be bucket list ideas for you guys, so you guys can have some ideas for your bucket list. And stay tuned for that video, and be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Believe me guys, I know people say like, what does it matter if you have your notifications on? Well, it actually does help me a lot, because YouTube likes to not send you guys notifications, which is so amazing, so thanks YouTube. But make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I actually upload, and you can be early. So let's get on to the video. So the first thing I want to do this summer is to drink more water. The second thing I want to do this summer, I actually did 2 nights ago, so I'm going to insert some pictures somewhere on the screen here in a couple seconds, but that is to draw in chalk. And I actually drew a couple pictures. I tried to recreate like some Pinterest Visco pictures. It wasn't for a video, just for fun, but I will show you guys how they turned out. And the next thing on my bucket list is to have a sleepover. Sleepovers are a classic thing to do in summer, and have to have it on the bucket list. So the next thing I want to do this summer is learn more sign language alphabet. Currently, I've been working on it. I keep forgetting, I'll get into it and I'll learn a bunch and then I'll forget it. So the only thing that I have really memorized is a couple letters and then my name. But I need to keep working on it and keep learning it, because that was actually one of my New Year's goals, to learn the sign language alphabet. So I'm going to put myself to it and keep working on it. So the next thing is to build a fort. I really want to build a fort. Like, you just want to be cozy. Even though it's hot, scorching hot in summer, you still want to be cozy, especially when you're inside. But the next thing that I want to do is to make friendship bracelets. They look so cute on people, and I've just always wanted to make some with some friends. So I hope I can do that this summer. So the next thing I have already done several times this summer, which is to go swimming. I actually went to the beach like 2 weeks ago. Which is why I didn't upload, but I went swimming a lot there, and so I can check that off of my bus. Check it off of my bus. So I can check it off of my bucket list. So the next thing I want to do, why did I hold up a 2? That was weird. Anyway, so the next thing I want to do is to redecorate and clean up my room. So as you can see, it's a mess. I'm sorry about that. I'm sitting in front of a window so we can get the good lighting in here, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm sitting in front of a window, but you guys can literally see my whole messy room. So my room is to redecorate it kind of for summer and just keep it clean. I've been really working on putting things back when I need to put them back, so I don't end up with a whole pile of stuff that I need to put back all at once. Anyway, my next goal is to pre-film videos. As I have mentioned in the intro of this video, like, I was rambling about this, but I am not very good at uploading in the summer because I'm just super busy. I go on trip after trip after trip. Like, it's just constant traveling, and I just don't have time to sit down and film. So I really hope that I can get some videos pre-filmed so I can actually upload when I am on vacation and I can still enjoy my vacation. So my next goal and my last goal is to do something adventurous and go out of my comfort zone. Whether it's going on a hike, going on a zip line. I'm scared of heights, so that might be something fun to do, like to get out of my comfort zone, or just do something adventurous, just like go on a long hike. I don't really know. If you guys have any more ideas for my bucket list, I will definitely add them onto my list here. So comment them down below. And question of the day, what is on your summer bucket list? I would love to know, and I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, and I have more videos and more content coming. But in the meantime, be sure to follow my Instagram at itsmaliaa, because I am super active on there and I post pretty often. It's just when I can't upload and I can't film, I can still post on Instagram and I can still talk to you guys on there. But I will be responding to you guys' comments. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to aspire to inspire, and have a great day, and bye. Hey guys, I haven't filmed in a while and I'm a mess, but today I'm finally back. Whenever I film, that thing comes on. Blooper.